Hello friends, I'm going to demonstrate my web technology third lab experiment, and first I'll show you the output. The output screen is like this, where I have a heading with the text shadow and the uh, event list which is shown over here as a inline block. Then I have a main image to which a text is aligned at the extreme bottom as was given in the aim. Then there are three blocks, and over that the submenus, the two different subblocks, and a footer. So basically the experiment comprises of a banner, the navigation, and the various subblocks and a footer. Now I'll show how this was obtained through my code. Here this is the HTML page where I have described various things. Here the div tag is given and the name I have given as class. Actually the basic aim of the experiment is to obtain a particular design using CSS that is used to style our web page. So there are various selectors which we can use, that is class, ID, or we can use a universal selector also. So here we have used a class, and then I have described in the form of the list form. Here I have given various elements which are to be displayed in the horizontal line. Then I have given a class as head to display the text. Then I have given the class as banner, and inside that a body where I have displayed menu. There's another div tag over here for body 2 which displays the contact and home. This is used using this menu, contact, and home. So we have achieved this. I'll show you the CSS coding for that also. And here we have the class as sub, where I have given the various sub elements like this and this, and over there I have achieved I put these two blocks using again another div tags. And finally the footer, where I have described the address, and here is the footer here. Now the CSS goes on like, first I used the universal selector to give the box sizing as border box, padding 0 pixels and margin 0 pixels. Through this I achieve 0 padding and margin throughout the web page, so that only things which I define and I use will be displayed. The margin or the padding defined by me only will be displayed here. So the table is the first block, the horizontal block, where I have given alignment, sender, background color, width, height, font size, text align, text shadow. Here this horizontal banner which I gave over here, this, where I have given the text shadow and the text. Then the list elements here, the list form, where I have displayed as inline block. I have given a background color, and also when the list is hovered, the background color turns as white, which is achieved here like this. Then comes the head, where I have displayed the background image. I have displayed the width, height, and the background image, because of which I get this. Then I have the text which is displayed at the right side border over here. This is achieved because of the font, the padding top I have given, and the font padding top. Basically I have given a separate division class called text, and I have styled it according to what is asked for. Then is the banner, where I have given the width, height, and body color, that is white. Over here this region has been displayed as banner. Over inside that I have body 1, 2, and 3, where I have displayed various images, and the positioning is, the display is inline block along with the width and height. Now for the text that is displayed over sorry. Now the text that is displayed over these images. For that, I have taken P1, P2 and P3. Again, I have used text text align as center, width, height, margin, top. That is from that body, like the body 1. Inside the body 1, here I have given another tag as P1. I'll show you here. There is a div class and here it's a P class P1. Inside that there is menu. So div inside div I have declared, and hence it has been achieved. Now similarly for P1, P2 and P3. Then sub is again the white background screen, and now similarly I have described S1 and S2. And SP1 and SP2 are for these blocks which are on top of the sub elements. Here I have used the same margin, top, width, height, background color and stuff to achieve it. So various CSS attributes are used to achieve all this. And finally the footer. Foot, I have given the width, height, border and background color here. This portion I have given it like this. And F1 is for the text inside the footer. Font size, color and text align is given as center, because of which the text appears at the center. Hence, with this, my third experiment of web technology is completed. Thank you.